And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Just look back at our info here from yesterday morning. Lafayette was officially down to 9 degrees this time yesterday morning, and now we're at 48 degrees. A very big difference stepping out the door this morning than what we were at this time yesterday. 42 right now, Galveston 41 degrees, Logansport 46 degrees out in Remington, so mid to lower 40s region wide, and we're going to be soaring up into the 50s this afternoon, all thanks to very strong southwest winds that will be moving into the area. We have some peaks of less cloud, peaks of areas that are overcast, but we'll see clouds in the forecast all day long, and we're going to be having and watching this cold front move through our area Thursday afternoon into the evening hours. It looks like we've seen a little bit of a change in the forecast, so we'll go ahead and start off with our day planner for the rest of the day, looking at some overcast conditions by lunchtime, and we'll see those temperatures in the mid-50s, gusts up to about 40 to 45, maybe even 50 miles per hour. Just a very windy afternoon expected. But by 6 o'clock tonight, we'll be seeing those rain chances move into the area and give way to some rain, maybe some thunder showers overnight. So overcast this morning. Here's lunchtime, looking pretty good, but very windy. And then by about 6 o'clock, I'd like to see this model show a little bit more rain for us, scattered showers by 6 to 8 o'clock this evening. But it's fairly certain we'll see very heavy rainfall by this time tomorrow morning. Notice this line right here. That's the actual cold front. We're slightly behind it, and we'll see very strong rain, heavy rain at times, 5 o'clock in the morning for Thursday. So it'll be a very wet commute, but notice we're still all rain. Now as we get toward about 6:30, that's when that cold air will start to come in. Newton and Jasper County could be seeing some freezing rain, maybe a few flurries in our far northwestern portions of Indiana, but the heaviest rain is still overall Attica, Lafayette to Logansport to Rochester. This is 7 o'clock, and then by 9 we are going to be watching these temperatures very closely for Thursday because it could change over to some freezing rain about 9 o'clock. This will be a little bit of a lull in the weather, but I think it picks up again at about 12:30. And notice that rain snow line still right over Fowler, Lafayette, Monticello, up toward Rochester, Logansport, but snow Newton and Jasper County, and that's why they're under a winter storm warning, because that's where they're going to be seeing the heaviest snow totals, I think, in our WL5 viewing area. But then as we get toward later in the afternoon, 3 o'clock now, most of the winter precipitation now covering all of our area, pushing southeastward, and then going into snow showers about 8 o'clock. So this has changed from yesterday. We've seen a more southerly track with this cold front, and that's going to give us a little bit more snow. I mentioned it yesterday that we could see that movement from north to south, and we're seeing that shift southward, and that means maybe a little bit more snow for us. Total rainfall, we're going to be seeing 2+ inches of rain. That's why we are under a flood watch for the entire viewing area. Flooding a big possibility here, but snowfall totals, I took Chad's map yesterday and updated these totals and kind of pushed everything a little bit further south because I think we'll see a little bit more snow in this zone with a lot more snow to the northwest. We're going to be watching again this system very closely because ice could even be developed whenever we have that rain snow line transition from rain to snow. Icing could be possible Thursday afternoon and into the evening too. So definitely just drive cautiously tomorrow, late morning and through the evening, overnight into Friday morning, as temperatures will dive all day long, freezing by lunchtime. And then we'll stay pretty cold and below freezing on Friday. Sunshine 28, and then we'll see a little clipper come in Friday night into Saturday. But we're not done with the rain yet. It looks pretty quiet. But as we get toward early next week and Tuesday, looks like more heavy rain are in the forecast.
David, if there's one thing you really want to let people know, what would that be this morning?
The biggest thing I want people to know is just pay attention to the forecast. You know, we're still 24 hours out. A lot can change, and I've seen a lot of changes already in a lot of the models this morning pushing that system southward. So any more southward push could increase snow totals, still bringing in a lot of rain though. So just pay attention to our forecast. Chief Meteorologist Chad Evans will be in tonight and give you the latest updates.
Sounds great. David, thank you so much.